Tonight, a police union attorney is responding to a grievance by Shelton police claiming she purposely embarrassed the chief. News 12 Connecticut's Mark Sudall heard from both sides on this issue. He has more from the court documents.
And they staged it on the third time and actually stated that what was the reason they did it to embarrass the police chief.
Shelton Police Chief Sean Sakara tells News 12 Connecticut today court documents prove the 6 police officers who changed clothes in the station parking lot last summer did it on purpose under the advisement of the union attorney as a way to get back at the city.
I was obligated to report it. She's an attorney. She's held by the professional rules of conduct. And clearly, as I got to reiterate, the state of Connecticut Judicial Branch, a third-party investigation just confirmed what we already knew.
Shelton police closed their locker rooms due to COVID, but they say they provided their officers with other options. All 6 officers have since been terminated. Chief Sakara says attorney Barbara Resnick also misrepresented herself by not disclosing she was on administrative suspension 8 times in the state.
When you receive advisement from an attorney, they're obligated to tell you their status.
Resnick told News 12 Connecticut today this was a way for the police department and the city to get rid of her.
For the chief and or the mayor to say that I concocted this scheme to have them undress outside so that we can create this false narrative and bring a charge in connection with it is astounding. It's egregious.
Resnick says the town got a ton of backlash from Shelton residents, and the city didn't want the public scorn to come back on them. Resnick says she's from New York, and if you don't practice law in Connecticut, you don't have to pay your dues.
During that time, you will be placed on administrative suspension.
I didn't write these findings. The judicial branch did.
Resnick says she hasn't yet begun to fight back against the mayor and the chief.
Will be put to their proofs and will have to come forward under oath and with witnesses to substantiate these false allegations.
In Shelton, Mark Sudall, News 12 Connecticut.
Resnick says she is due a fair hearing to respond.